Bushra.
Hi,
Can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
I am Bushra. I am a fresher and I did my engineering in computer science engineering and I got 98.97 percentile in CAT.
What are the strategies that you use to prepare for CAT?
For CAT, I went section wise. VARC and quant was my strength, and DILR I was weak in DILR. So for VARC, in VARC also I identified that my strength was in reading comprehension. So I used to first choose and select set passages which I could attempt, which would be less time consuming first, and after that I would go for the VA part of the test. And in the VA part, I used to first attempt the ones which had no negative marking, and if time permitted, I used to go with the ones which had negative marking. And in quants, I used to do ABC analysis. For A, it would be the ones which took the least time. B, medium level, and C is if time permits, I would attempt, or if not, I would not even look at those questions. And for DILR, because it was not one of my strengths, I used to pick and select of the 4 passages. I would pick 2 passages and I would solve those, and that I practice this over and over again in all of my mocks. So that is my that is how I got 98%.
Were there any resources that you referred to? Probably any books that you used for these sections?
I used to refer to Arun Sharma book for going over my quants, all the formulas in quants. And other than that, I used to follow Syeda Bushra on YouTube. Her tips and tricks really helped me a lot. And for mocks, I used to use my IMS as a resource, and even I gave few of iQuanta also. Both of them provide a really good mock analysis after you have attempted the mock, so that really helped me a lot to find my strengths and weaknesses.
Thank you, Bushra.